Well, I had major knee surgery when I was a sophomore in college, 1963, and then hurt it again in '64. But I was able to carry on and worked hard at rehabilitating it. And but then got an opportunity to play with the Cardinals, and it's like, really? I made the team, and I had gotten it taped for games all the time, pretty strong. And people would say, "Well, you couldn't run with it." I said, "Well, I couldn't run before, so why would that bother me now? I can't run still." So I just stood in the pocket and threw the ball from there. But then just kept going year after year after year after year, and hurt it again in '81. And so there it was, and I kept playing, and then they developed this Lennox Hill brace that Joe Namath made famous back in the late '60s. That saved me every single game. That was kind of fun that I could get back there and not worry about these big guys coming after me. So I was 40 years old when I played my last year, and as far as Dr. Zehr, I'll never forget him because he wouldn't operate on my left knee, which had become worse through the years. Pain had become pretty obvious. And he said, "But you will tell me when you want it done." And I said, "Yeah," because I could make the transition playing golf, and that was the only thing I did physically anymore, except work in the yard a little bit. But so he said, wait until you can't make that pivot. And so about a year later, I went to him and I said, "I need it. I can't do it now." I get teased by my old teammates when they see me limping around on the golf course and saying, "What are you waiting for?" And I said, "Yeah, you're right." And so when I went in to see Dr. Z, he said, "Sure, let's do it." I trust Dr. Zehr on his expertise, and he was right, and it's doing very well. I did that, and I'm very happy that I did.